Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys display setting, and today video title guys how to solve lava mobile phone brightness problem. Friends, we have lava mobile phone brightness problem. So how to fix brightness problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your lava mobile sometime your phone brightness increase automatic, brightness decrease automatic. So friends, how to fix brightness problem? Friends, open your lava mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click your lava mobile display setting. After display setting friends, you want to on dark mode in your lava mobile, so you can on dark mode and you can use, and you don't want to use, you can turn off dark mode from here. Friends, adaptive brightness is enabled in your lava mobile, so friends you will have to disable adaptive brightness and guys your problem will solve. And friends, you can use your lava mobile without brightness problem, and friends you can increase your phone brightness, and friends your brightness will not decrease automatic in your lava mobile, and you can adjust your brightness from here. Friends, again if you enable adaptive brightness, friends brightness will decrease automatic. So first I will increase brightness. As you can see, when I will enable adaptive brightness will decrease automatic. So like that friends, if you have brightness problem in your lava mobile, so disable your adaptive brightness and your problem will solve, and you can adjust your brightness will not increase, brightness will not decrease automatic in your lava phone device. And friends, you want to use night light mode setting, so you can on night light mode and you can adjust your night light mode temperature, and color temperature you can adjust, and you don't want to use, you can turn off. And friends, you should on at night when you operate your phone at night. So after on friends, you can look at on your screen easily and you can use your lava mobile. So like that friends, we can solve brightness problem. Bye friends.